Here are the steps on how to redirect a domain from cPanel. First, log in to your cPanel dashboard. The login would usually be yourdomain.com/cPanel. Enter your username and password. Next, scroll down to Domains. Select the domain you wish to redirect. Then click on the Manage button. Next, click on Modify Redirection. Next, choose the type of redirection. You either choose permanent or temporary. If you're not sure which to choose, leave it at permanent. Next, you're to choose the domain you want redirect. If you've more than one, choose from the list by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Next, you want to choose the domain you want to redirect to. Then under www.redirection, you may choose redirect with or without www. Next, click on the Add button. You'll get a message saying your domain has been redirected. You can then test the redirected domain. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Simply click the link below to learn more.